coding will be there. So what is the answer of it? Suggest one way in which this method of measuring the mass metal can be improved by using more smaller masses, right?
How is it
Like
improved?
if you are trying to balance here, for example, the rings we you have, that rings might be uh, 10 grams, but maybe if you are giving 5 grams smaller ring, that will become more easier for you to make it balance, more accurate. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So smaller masses you can use, or you can use combination of 10 grams and 5 grams together, right? That will be another
Yes.
way to make it more accurate. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, write it then. So we are done with 2. We'll start now 3. Yeah, continue. Okay.
A
Three.
student investigates how the resistance of a filament lamp changes as the potential difference V across it changes. He uses the circuit shown in figure 3.1. On figure 3.1, draw the symbol for an ammeter and the symbol for a voltmeter in the correct positions for this investigation.
So how we'll do it? Voltmeter,
Meter in
ammeter,
series, voltmeter in parallel
but where?
with a
Parallel
lamp.
wire across the lamp, right?
Yes, sir.
And ammeter you can give anywhere in series. Here you can give, here you can give, or here you can, or here you can give. Anywhere you can give the ammeter, right?
Yes, sir.
But voltmeter should be across the lamp.
Yes.
Then continue.
The student takes two different sets of reading of current and potential difference, suggests how he adjusts his circuit to do this.
Yeah, different sets of readings of current and potential difference.
He
So he can vary the
changes.
resistance of variable resistor, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Hmm. Then continue.
He adjusts his circuit so that the voltmeter shows 4 volt and he reads the ammeter. He repeats the experiment at 8 volt. Figure 3.2 shows the reading of current I on the ammeter for each voltage. Record the values of I shown on the ammeter for each voltage.
Yeah, yeah. When V is 4 volt, what is the value of current?
1.2.
1.2. Okay, right, 1.2. Then for V equals 8 volt,
1.65.
1.65. Okay, 1.65. Then continue.
Use the equation to calculate the resistance of the lamp at 4 volt and at 8 volt.
Yes. Have you calculated?
Right, sir. Sir, when V is 4, it is 3.33.
3.33. Okay. Then what is the unit?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Then when V is
Then
8
4,
volt,
4.85.
4.85. Okay, write the unit. Then continue. See.
State 2 physical changes in the lamp that are observed as the potential difference is increased, um, more bright.
Glows brighter, gets hotter.
Yes. Yes. Correct. It will be more brighter. It will be more hotter, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Great. So you write it. We are done with question three as well. Now question four. Yeah, Ifaz, you read question four.
A student has a thermometer which has no temperature markings as shown in figure 4.1. A. Find the length of the liquid column when the temperature is 0 degrees Celsius. State the apparatus he needs to do this and explain how he uses his apparatus. You may use a diagram if you wish.
Yeah. So it's about 0 degrees Celsius, right?
Yes, sir.
So how to get it?
Pure melting ice. You put the thermometer bulb on
Yeah,
the pure melting
pure
ice,
melting ice.
then my
You need
yes,
ice, collection of ice, right? Pure melting
yes,
ice.
sir.
Then put the bulb
Th-
of the thermometer
yes, sir.
in melting
On
ice
then
and
mark the
yeah, mark
label.
the reading over there. That is giving you
Yes,
0
did
degrees
it.
Celsius. Okay, everyone got it? You have to
Sir,
write it.
how
Yes,
should
sir.
we write it while
Yeah,
writing?
yeah. You write
Place
first.
the bulb of the thermometer in cold
Yeah, to
ice
to
like that.
mention ice, you are getting 1 mark. Melting ice, and to put it in the
Sir, do we need to
to
write like bowl of like a lot of so that the heat in the atmosphere doesn't affect the bulb and
no,
like that?
not like that. All these things you do not need. You just have the collection of ice
Is the
and,
surface.
put the thermometer in the melting ice. Observe and mark it. That's it. Okay. Have you got it? Yeah, I will show you. I will show you later the mark scheme. Let us finish it first. Then next part. Yeah, continue first.
He finds the length of the liquid column when the temperature is 100 degrees Celsius. State the apparatus he needs to do this time and explain how he uses his apparatus. You may use the diagram if you wish.
Okay, now about 100 degrees Celsius. What to do?
On
Steam from
steam,
boiling water.
Yeah, boiling water. So here, first you have to have boiling water in a container, right? Isn't it? And keep the thermometer in the boiling water. Then observe the reading, mark it. That is 100 degrees Celsius. Okay. Now you check the answer. What or how you write it. You see, supply of ice, place thermometer in melting ice. Then place thermometer in above boiling water. Beaker test tube means of holding water. Got it? Yeah, continue first. See,
suggest how he then uses his thermometer to find room temperature.
yeah,
Divide the length of the both levels means between the levels into
mhm,
100 and multiply it by 4, 24.
Why 24?
because that is the optimum room temperature we use.
Is it written anywhere here? Room temperature is 24.
That is
No, sir.
24 DMQ
Oh,
in room temperature,
yeah,
not temperature.
That is
yeah. Actually, we know there is a standard room temperature, but it can vary. Like if your room is AC room or any, like it is winter or it is
Then, sir,
summer.
how do would we measure it?
Yeah, you just they are not pointing the specific
Oh, sir,
temperature.
we need to use this thermometer, right? So
Yeah,
we will
yeah,
divide it by 100 and mark every distance between it like that, so that
yeah.
we
So
can
you
get.
you
And
first that one you are saying that is called calibration. So you first calibrate the thermometer. That is the first purpose. And second purpose is then you keep the thermometer in your room. You observe the temperature. That is your room temperature. That's it. So the first point is for calibrating the thermometer, and second point is to observe the thermometer in room. You see, calibrating the thermometer, place thermometer in the room and read the temperature. That's it. Okay.
yes, sir.
yes, sir.
So so done. This one is done. Set one is done, and I'm also uploading the mark scheme here. You can have the mark scheme here anytime, no problem. And I want you to
Sir,
submit it
mock
by
paper when you will upload?
tomorrow morning, inshallah.
Okay,
Because
sir.
Sir,
we have to discuss on next Monday.
sir,
So I'm giving you time till Sunday. Okay. By next Sunday you submit so that I can take it. Huh? Then we can discuss fast, isn't it?
Yes,
sir,
sir.
Hello.
Yes,
sir,
sir, we can hear you.
sir, আমার একটা ডাউট ছিল ফিজিক্সের।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ ওটা আমি দেখছি আমি তো বলছি 10:15 ওটা ইয়ে করবো ওটা শেষ করে নি হ্যাঁ then I will do it no problem
ওকে স্যার।